Okay. So, a few things done. One, I actually bought a mic in order to do some of the recording, so I don't have to do a whole lot of noise reduction, which I don't do for the videos because I'm too lazy. But, so this should also here for the videos that you should be able to hear me for once. So that came in. Also, I got all the trigger boxes working as you saw last time. So I got the AI to spawn, and I also got, or I went and did more of the UI or just, adding some kind of visual schemes, not using just the default schemes that you see in Unreal. So I'll show you. So this is kind of everything completed. Now, don't make fun of it yet, because that's not what it's gonna stay as just what I kept it as for now, until I can make a much better thing. This is what I came up with in like 5 minutes in Photoshop. So now you actually start in this level. So we come out of the elevator, and I'm not too sure how well you can hear this. I might have to, so there is a audio for the flashlight, a little click, but I think it's too quiet. It's also really poorly synced, so I'm not too sure if you can actually hear that. But anyways, so we come in, and we can look around, investigate, all this kind of stuff. Oops. And we come through here, blah, 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 and like I showed you guys earlier, when you come up to the door, I don't want to use the stairs, so, okay, well, I guess it's time to head back to the elevator. Except this time, he appears. And you can escape by running to the door. So, yeah, besides playing around in I'll show you the other thing. Not really the other thing, but I just also threw this into Photoshop as well. Get all these to there. I thought I fixed that. I guess I didn't. So I did this kind of same thing. Just something for the. And of course, it's a little mistake because it says play, not retry or continue. But that's fine for right now. But yeah, let me go into that widget and fix that really quick because that's an issue. I could have swore I fixed this. Maybe I thought I did. There, but that'll fix that. And I will show you quickly the code for making him spawn, which I mean is really, really simple code. I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult than it was. So this is really just it. Spawn AI from class, and then you just have to pick the AI you wish to spawn and the behavior tree that it runs. So that's very, very simple. And then it will ask you for a location. And then I just set this little variable up, spawn location, to set that, and then these are the coordinates. And if you a little unsure how to get these coordinates, it's pretty easy. This is what I did. I dragged in a sphere kind of where I wanted it, and then I looked at what these coordinates were, and I just copied and paste basically. So it did take me a little bit to figure this out, because at first I was using spawn actor, not spawn AI, and those are two very different things. So just so you know, if you want to spawn an AI, use spawn AI if you're using an actor with a that has an AI thing, because what would happen was it would spawn, but it wouldn't spawn with the AI. It would just sit there. So that was a problem. Also, he is very, very big. He actually doesn't fit in this level area, which is fine. You know, because I mean, like, honestly, like that should be like, unless you just panic, you don't know where to go, and you just, you know, freak out or something. You know, you shouldn't get caught. Like, no offense, you should not get caught. So yeah, so this is the kind of first. So I will be working on the cutscene where it shows him destroying the actual thing. So I'm going to be doing that in Maya, like I did for the death animation, that kind of stuff. But yeah, so it's all plugged in and stuff, even though this isn't off the main menu. Well, here we can fix that. We can go to the main menu, go here. So trigger. And you know, if he catches us, we can hit play and go back here. So yeah, so that's where I am. So tomorrow we'll be doing the cutscene, adding the few final other things like some ambience noise and that kind of stuff, and possibly a few other things. But yeah, so after the cutscene, really, and the few like small polishing things, I think I can finally start on the other two monsters. Get them at least sculpted and done and animated and all that kind of stuff, which makes me excited because I get to do some ZBrush. So look forward to that. But yeah, so that's it. See ya.